Hey folks, and welcome to this weekly update of Azure news from myself, Sarah Lean. This episode was recorded on the 30th of August 2024. Now, the first announcement is a public preview one, so you now have the ability to plan failover of your Azure storage accounts. So planned failover provides the ability to fail over a storage account while maintaining geo-redundancy with zero data loss and additional cost. You no longer need to reconfigure your geo-redundant storage or GRS storage accounts after your failover operation. Planned failover enables you to effectively swap your primary and secondary endpoints while your storage service endpoints are available. The next announcement is also a public preview one. This time it's relating to virtual machine scale sets. This new feature allows you to specify multiple virtual machine sizes within a single virtual machine scale set, so providing you with greater flexibility and cost efficiency. This new feature, or public preview feature, is called Instance Mix. And our third public preview announcement this week is the public preview of managed linting support for API analysis inside the Azure API Center. This feature enables you to automatically enforce your organization's style rules on API definitions, ensuring consistency and quality across all of your APIs without manual management. This tool also generates detailed reports to identify and correct errors, improving overall API reliability and performance. Now, I just want to take a break in the news and mention the Scottish Summit, which is a leading technology conference focusing on Microsoft technology that's being hosted here in Scotland this year. Now, the event is happening in October up in Aberdeen in Scotland, and I have the pleasure of being a speaker at the event. Now, I think most of the event is going to be in person, but there will be some sessions online, I believe, to watch. But it'd be great to see any of you there in person in October. So definitely check that out for information about getting tickets. So moving back to the news and on to generally available announcements this time, you now have the ability to attach and detach virtual machines to a virtual machine scale set that are within a single fault domain. So you can add and bring your existing virtual machines into a virtual machine scale set with flexible orchestration mode enabled and with a fault domain count of 1. So after attaching your virtual machine to the virtual machine scale set, it is considered part of that scale set and benefits from scale set features like auto scale, instance repair, automatic OS upgrades, and much, much more. What's more is when you're attaching that virtual machine to your virtual machine scale set, it requires no downtime to do that. Now, the last generally available announcement goes to Azure NetApp Files. So Azure NetApp Files now has cool access available for all service levels. The cool access feature allows you to configure a capacity pool that automatically moves infrequently accessed data or cold data to Azure storage accounts to try and reduce storage costs. This feature can be fine-tuned with a coolness period at the volume level to optimise when data is moved based on your workload and access patterns. In replication settings, cool access can also be configured for destination-only volumes, offering cost savings without affecting the latency of source volumes. Thank you for tuning in, folks, and please don't forget to leave me a review, share this podcast, and subscribe on whatever platform you're listening on, and I'll see you all again soon.